Be quick, students. Once you'll complete, let me know. We'll do the next one. Okay, if you just write root 72, they'll reduce marks. You should write the complete answer. Root 72 factorize 6 root 2 is the answer. Next. See, second main, how do you solve? You have to take 0 as 0 comma 0. B as, okay, what is x1 in this? This is x1 y1, next is x2 y2. Apply the formula and try that. Skip that. Third question, how do you solve the third one, students? 0 comma 0, next. X1 y1 and x2 y2. Use the same formula. Skip the second one, try the third one. Complete, be quick. Third question. Okay, what's the answer, students? 4 minus 0 the whole square plus what is 4 square? 16 plus root 52. If you rationalize root 52, what do you get? If you find the prime factor of 50. 2 root 13 is the answer. Okay, just these two. If origin is given 0 comma 0, first main, both the points were given, students. Both the points. So same concept. Use the same concept, you'll get the answer. First main, yesterday I solved one question. Next, third main. Find the point on x-axis which is equidistant. Fine. Find the point on the x-axis. The point is on which one? On the x-axis. Remember this concept. Whenever they give on the x-axis, students, on the x-axis or intersect at x-axis. Okay, whichever word is given, x-axis is given, you have to take y is equals to 0. What do you have to take? Y is equals to 0. Find the equidistant point on x-axis which is equidistant from point A and point B. Point A and point B. So for point P, students, find the point on x-axis. Let us take that point P. What are the coordinates we have? For y, what is the value you have to take? For y, you have to take 0. And for x, you have to take the alphabet as x itself. Is this clear? Okay, this is an additional question. Whenever find the point, an extra point is given. Total how many points do we have? P is 1 point, then A is another point. What else? B. Usually we were solving only 2 points. Now how many points are there? 3. Which point is equidistant? What they mentioned. Find the point on x-axis. Y is equals to 0, x comma 0. This point P is equidistant from which one? Equidistant from A and B. Look at, let me draw a line. This is point A, 2 comma minus 5. This is point B, minus 2 comma 9. And a point P is equidistant. What do you mean by equidistant, students? What's the name? Equal distance. So where is point P? It is equal distance from A, B and B, C. And what is the coordinate of P, students? What's the coordinate of P? X comma 0. X comma 0 is the coordinate. Equal distance. If A to P is 5 centimeter, P to B is also 5 centimeter. Fine. If you have 2 points, 3 points, we use the same formula. Only difference is there are 2 questions in this. AP is 1 question. Whenever there are formula like this, take A distance of AP the whole square is equals to, this is the formula, students, distance of PB the whole square. This is the formula. First write it till here, after that I'll teach. Copy whatever I've written. If on the x-axis is given, y is equals to 0. Point P is x comma 0. Draw the diagram. P is in between. Whenever there are 3 points like this, this is the formula. Distance AP the whole square. Write it only till you are completed. First join. Next. Distance AP the whole square. What is the usual distance formula we use, students? Tell me distance. X2 minus X1 the whole square plus whole square. Okay. This is AP. Top of AP, what is given? On top of AP there is square. Square it. Now tell me the value for these students. When there is root and square, they get cancelled. What is the answer? 2, right? So even here, which one gets cancelled? Root and 2. So what is left? X2 minus X1 the whole square plus Y2 minus Y1 the whole square. This is for AB. AP. Now tell me for PB, students. Same formula. Tell me for PB. x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. It gets cancelled. What is left? x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus whole square. This is the formula. So you don't have to write this. In exam, you don't have to write the middle one. This part is not required. I'm teaching on the entire thing. Whatever is required, you write. See, you need to write this. After that, write this. The formula is same. The formula is same. Only thing, root and root gets cancelled. Write both. Write these two steps. Next, I'll tell you what to do. Complete these two. Done. Completed till here. See, you don't have to write this. This is not required. In exam, this is not required. We know square root gets cancelled. Only this part is required. This. So write distance AP the whole square is equals to distance of PB the whole square. Now we have two lines. Two. Next. AP. This formula is for AP students. What is A value? 2 comma minus 5. What is P value? X comma 0. Right hand side, what is P? Find the distance between AP. Okay. BP students. Take this as BP the whole square. AP and BP. So the formula is AP the whole square is equals to BP the whole square. Okay, tell me what is B value? I have taken BP. So what is B value? Minus 2 comma 9. And what is P value? X comma 0. Imagine these two are separate, two different questions. This is how we have to solve. Take this as x1, y1, x2, y2. Here, x1, y1, x2, y2. Let us substitute in the formula. We have to substitute this. Tell me the answer, students. What is x2? All of you will respond. x2 is x minus, what is x1? 2 the whole square plus. Use the above formula. What is y2? 0 minus what is y1? Minus 5. Minus of minus 5 whole square. Next, tell me x1. Use this formula. What is x2? Use this formula. x2 minus 2 the whole square plus what is y2? 0 minus 9 the whole square. Okay. What is x minus 2 the whole square, students? Which formula do we need to use? A plus b the whole square into? Yes, a minus b the whole square, right? A minus b the whole square. You can do it like this, or we can even do it separately. If you think this is confusing, let me erase it. Look here. Let me erase. From the beginning, I'll teach. There are 2 points A and B. What's the formula, students? Tell me the formula. AP square is equals to PB square. Now, let us do AP square calculation. Just AP square. What's the formula for AP? X minus x1 plus y2 minus y1 whole square. If I square it, it gets cancelled, right? Cancel. So remember, don't write this. This is the formula we need. Now, we are calculating only for AP. What is A value? What is A, students? 2 comma. What is P? X comma 0. For this question, take this as x1, y1, x2, y2. Now tell me the value. What is x2? X minus 2 the whole square plus. What is y2, students? This. Okay, let us solve this. Use a minus b the whole square. What is a minus b the whole square? A square plus b square minus. We have done all this. If you are not able to answer, it's difficult to solve this question. What is a minus b the whole square? A square plus b square minus 2ab. X square plus what is b? Minus 2 into x into 2. Don't take the sign, only the numbers. X square plus what is 2 square? Not 4. Not 4. 4 minus 4 minus 4x. Shall I write that? 4x plus what is this? Do it in working column. What's the value? Minus into minus is plus. 0 plus pi the whole square. What is pi square? 25. X square plus 4. What is plus 4 and plus 25? Plus 29 minus 4x. That's it. Anything else to solve here? Keep this equation as it is. Keep it as it is. Next, which one we need to solve, students? Yeah, tell me. Next is which one? AP square is the next. What do we have? BP whole. Same formula. X2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. First complete it for AP. All of you will write this statement. Other things, whatever it is, just keep that for reference. Start from here. Write AP is equals to PB the whole square. This is the formula. Then below that, right, for AP show the calculation. Okay, if you have completed that, tell me this, students. Respond if you have done. Try this part. Substitute. See, it's a separate equation, separate question. Yeah, complete this. Take x2. X2 is x. X1 is minus of minus 2. Y2 is 0 minus 9. Okay, you get x plus 2 the whole square. Which formula should I use? A plus b the whole square or a minus? A minus. What is given your LN? Bhargavi. A plus b the whole square, right? X square plus 2 square plus 2 into 2 into x. Plus plus 9 square. 9 square 81. X square 4 plus 81 is 85. Did we get both the equation? Just a minute. All of you done? Completed, students. Now use both the equation. What is both the equation? Substitute. What is a plus b the whole square we got? AP the whole square. What is AP the whole square? X square plus 29 minus 4x is equal to right hand side. What is BP the whole square we got? What's the answer for BP the whole square? X square plus 85. Is this clear? Till here? Clear? So basically two equations. We are solving two questions together. It would take lot of time. It would take 5 to 10 minutes because you are solving two questions. Arrange all the like terms. X square minus 4x minus 4x is equals to 85 minus 29. Is it clear, students? Did you understand? What's the answer for this? Minus 8 into minus 8 is minus 4, 8. Okay, 85 minus 29. How much is 85 minus 29? How do you find the value of x? 56 divided by, the answer is minus 7. What have they asked us to find? Find the value of point P, right? Point P. What was point P, students? What was point P we had taken? X comma. Look here. P was x comma 0. What is x value we got? What is x value? This is the answer. Can you check the answer in textbook? Minus 7 comma 0 is the answer. There's only one method, students. It's a very lengthy question. There's no other shortcut for this. You have to solve both the questions and equate. Did ma'am complete this? Did ma'am do this question? Yes. What is your teacher doing, student? What are your teachers doing? Which chapter? Okay, 9B, 9C. Okay. Completed. Complete this. Mostly I'll be completing it tomorrow. Saturday I'll start volume, students. Even Sunday you'll have to attend. Saturday, Sunday, 2 days, and Monday. We need at least 3 or 4 days to complete volume. Is students done? Completed? Okay, so take it as two different questions. Once you complete, equate it. From now, all the questions will be tough. It is going to be too lengthy. See, that is what they have given. Int. Let the required point be x comma 0. You should know the concept. Just like that, you can't take the values here. Okay, the reason is x is mentioned here on the x-axis, so it is x comma 0. Next, this is the formula I told you. AP the whole square is equals to PB the whole square. Okay, third and fourth question is same. On fourth question, it should be on which axis, student? Point is on which axis? So what will be the P value? If it is y-axis, what should be x value? X should be 0. Which axis is mentioned here? Fourth question, x or y? Which axis? Y-axis is mentioned, right? So that's the reason y will remain as it is P. Same formula, AP the whole square is equals to BP the whole square. Try this for homework. Try the fourth one for homework, all of you. Understood? All of you understood how to solve? AP square is equals to BP square. Fine. Up to 8:50, 8:45 I'll conduct. Take break, students. We'll continue at 8:30. I'll conduct up to 8:50 today. Just a minute. Okay, fifth question. 9 plus 16. How much is 9 plus 16? Root 25. The answer is 5 units. Next, what you have to find? Distance BC. Tell me distance BC, students. What is B value? What is B given? 6, 4. What is C? What do we need to take? Separate question. This is a separate question. This one you take it as x1, y1. What is C value? x2, y2. What's the formula? All of you respond. x2 minus. Respond. x2 minus x1. What is x2, students? Minus 1 minus 6 the whole square. What is y2? Minus 4 the whole square. Is this clear? Will you try even for AC after this? Will you try for AC, students? Complete BC and ACF. What's the answer, students? Is it 49 plus 1 root 50? Did you all get 5 root 2? Okay, find distance AC. A is 3 comma 0. C is minus 1 comma 3. X1, Y1, X2, Y2. See, whether it is 4 square or minus 4 square, when you square it, minus gets cancelled. So you get 16 for both. 16 plus 9. How long to do this, students? It was a simple question. Did you get 5? Root 25 is 5. Your how many distances are equal? Tell me which two distances equal? BC and AC. AB and AC. According to that, we need to draw a triangle. Which two are equal? AB and you look here. AB and AC. In this, which alphabet is repeated? A should be down. A. B should be on top. C should be down. Now, what are both the values, students? 5 and 5, right? What is BC value then? What is BC? 5 root 2. So this diagram was wrong. Whatever we drew in the beginning, this was wrong. Did you all understand? All of you all understood? Any doubts? Can you all respond? Okay, I'll erase all this calculation part, whatever we have done. Now we have to show them the calculation that it is a right angle triangle. That it is a right angle triangle. So how will you write the statement for the students? First thing, what kind of triangle is given? We have to prove what do you need to show, students? Show that this triangle is isosceles right angle. For isosceles, what do you mean by isosceles? Here which two sides are equal? AB is equals to, tell me, AB is equals to AC. Isn't it isosceles? It is isosceles. Next, you have to prove it is a right angle triangle. What's the formula for right angle triangle? Look at this diagram and tell me. Plus AC. Just substitute the value. What is BC? It should be, both should be equal. Left hand side and right hand should be equal. 5 square plus 5 square. What's the value, students? When you open the root, what do you get? 25 into 2, right? 25 into 2 is 50. What's the answer? 25 plus 25 is left hand side equal to right hand side? Therefore, ABC are vertices of a triangle. Copy this, write the same thing. AB is equals to AC. Draw this diagram. All of you will draw this diagram. Last question. Remaining we'll do it tomorrow. Once you write this question, write the statement, show that point ABC are vertices. Therefore, ABC are vertices of right angle, isosceles right angle. Just a minute. Okay, equilateral. If you want, try the sixth question, students. For equilateral, what is equilateral triangle? All of you will respond. All three sides are equal. So what? How do you solve this question? OAB. You have to find the distance between OB. Next, OA and AB. Right? 3 points are given. Find the distance of all three, and you have to check whether the answer is same, students. If the answer is same, then they are equal, right? They are equilateral triangle. Okay, try the sixth one for homework. Fourth and sixth you can try. 7, 8, 9 I'll complete tomorrow. and Saturday I'll start volume. All of you completed? Done?